What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And right here, we have a beauty and we have a beast. This is a hood bar light. The other bar light is what I thought this one was going to be. All right. This should cover the whole hood. If you need light to do any work on your car, let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. This thing is actually big. I did buy this on Prime Day deals when the Prime Day deals was going on. Next time I will inform my followers of stuff that I'm buying, looking to buy, what's on sale. So yeah, so let's go ahead. Right here we have a USB Type-C cable wire right here. Have 50,000 of those. And right here you have the light, plastic right here covering the light. You have magnets right there. Probably could hook your tools and whatnot on your magnets. There goes the instructions, and the instructions are very small. It's not that much to this, you guys. So right here it says 6500K as far as the light goes. Blah blah blah, rechargeable. We know that already. So this thing can go expand up to 80 inches. That is quite insane. This is what I was looking for. All right. This is what I was looking for. Magnetic. The light angle is 120 degrees as far as the light angle goes. Warning, do not disassemble the device, blah, blah, blah. Operating temperatures is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. When it comes to that, I will not be outside when it comes to those temperatures. All right. So right here you have charging time. So charging time is 4.2 hours, and with that 4.2 hours you get 5200 milliamps of battery life. Now it don't say here how long the battery lasts, so I might post it for y'all as we go from Amazon. Maybe Amazon might tell us. So let's see if we have any power. So you got the power button right here. All right, so we do have power. It's pretty bright. I'm trying to see. Oh, okay. And you have power on both sides, so that's nice. Got a nice little cool grip right here. Now, this is not a rubber grip. This is a plastic grip. All right. Just to let y'all know about that. But it's not too much to this. Where do you charge it at? You got to be. OK, so we have a USB Type-C charger port right here. OK, so the charger port is on this side. All right. And let's go ahead and hook it up to the hood. All right, you guys. So I am changing oil. I'm changing the O2 sensor on my car. Well, my wife's car, so we could try to get this check engine light off for emissions. And then we're doing a couple of reviews while we're doing that. Wait a second. Okay, so you could turn the magnets downwards, and we're gonna expand this. Boom. Nice, very nice. Now, can you bend the light down? No, at least I'm trying to, but I don't think you could bend the light down, you guys. So that's, oh, you don't need to bend the light down. Wow. This thing shines the whole engine bay. Wow. That's quite insane. All right. So here y'all go. Light bar right there. I'm going to show y'all now. You see that? So that's the high level. I clicked it again. So I think that's medium. I'm going to click it again. Okay. So it's only two. So high and low then. So you have high, low, off. All right. Now, as far as the magnet goes, maybe if you have sockets or something that you're working on, let's see. Do I have any sockets with me? Well, I have extension. So put our extension on. Not bad. The extension is on there. Oh, it's on pretty good. There you go with that. Let's do another test. I always test out the magnet, you guys. I love magnet. All right, so let's say I want to hold a socket. Will you hold a socket? Well, will you look at that? Will you look at that? It holds a socket, nice and easy. I mean, and it's on the tip. Let's see. Okay, so it's not gripping the back, of course. All right, it grips the body. That might be safer. The body, since it's holding more of the socket, or if you need to hold it on two, hold it like that. Let me turn this light off real quick so I can see. That will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. If you want to see me use, what, a half inch? We have half inch right here. Might be a little bit more heavier, but it's holding a 1/2 inch. And of course, it'd be better to hold it with the body like that. All right, you guys, so that's the light right there. The light, the magnet, the length of it, nice and awesome. All right, I will probably show this again. I think this is probably the best thing I bought on Amazon Prime Day. I'll link my comparison video in the description box below. As far as what it cost me on Prime Day and what it cost after Prime Day. So I believe I saved like $10 on this. But my biggest savings was, the biggest savings I had was that stupid thing, the Ring camera. So the Ring camera was my biggest savings. But that's it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.